Today, students had to round numbers, and we looked at the different ways they would ask about rounding. They would say about how many or estimate the total number. So they were given a word problem and they would have to combine or add those points. But before students can even do this, they have to know how to actually round the numbers. And what we're going to use introducing rounding is a number line. There are other ways where you can circle the place value, underline it, and look next door, but we first want to have the students have an understanding of what is halfway, and if something is halfway or more in between what you're counting by, then you round up. So for example, on this one, it says round 76 to the nearest 10, and what the students need to be able to do is count by tens. Now we start with 0 and we go all the way up. We can go into the hundreds, thousands, millions, whatever high we're talking about. But for 76, we want to talk about which set of tens this one falls in betweens. Well, we see that 76 does not fall in between 30 and 40. It falls in between 70 and 80. So on our number line, they would draw a number line. They would start it at 70, and our number line ends at 80. And this right here is our halfway, and they're not going to ask us for that. We just have to know ourselves what is halfway between 70 and 80. So really what students have to know is what's half of 10, and they should know that half of 10 is 5. So if I add 5 to that number, the halfway point is 75. Now they also need to know, just for reference, what's half of 100, which is 50, and then half of 1,000, which is 500. So right here, we would have the students place 76. Well, 76 comes after 75, and if that point is halfway or more, then it will round up to 80. So it's kind of the same rule as if that number ends in a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you round up, or a 4, 3, 2, or 1, you round down. But we're just having the students first look at it with a number line so that they can get a visual. So if that number is halfway or more, it rounds up. So 76 rounded to the nearest 10 is 80. Now, if you want to go ahead and try these right here with your student at home, that will be super helpful.